Tessa's Art Table. I'm Tessa, and today we're going to be drawing a realistic flamingo. Now, just like when we were drawing our swans, we draw like this type of two. Now we're going to draw that, then with a body. For the wing, we're going to go out and out and out, and then back in. Then for the legs, gonna make a straight line stop. Straight line stop. Then we're gonna ruffle up. Make it look like the flamingo's little feet. That's it. Then for the eye, we're gonna do it like that. Now if you wanna have a big beak, here's what I would do. Make a triangle just on top of that. So now that we have this, I'm going to draw a sun. I'm not going to draw the lines from my sun because I wanted that to be a color. My lines, I wanted to go yellow, 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 yellow. Then in the middle, I wanted it to go orange, 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 orange. And now that I have it, I'll just color in my sun. So now that that's colored in, I can work on my flamingo. Now, I think this flamingo looks really good. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna color in. So flamingos are usually pink because they eat lots of shrimp. So I'm going to go around the eye and over the beak. Around the eye and over the beak. Like around the eye and around the beak. And now, I'm going to make sure it's okay to go on top of the wing because the wings are not colored. If you think flamingos can be a different color, then you can draw them that color. Have you ever seen them a different color? But I feel like I only have seen this color. And I'm going to draw the beak. Maybe I'll outline his feet with orange and then color in his little parts. And now, for the eye, I'm going to color around the little circles I made in there to make the green eye. Now, I'm going to use this and this. And I'm going to make it look like she's behind a hill. I'm going to make a line of green. And then I'm going to swoop right over the legs. Right over the legs. With this green. I'm going to take it right over the legs. Now, how it looks like she has a little thing behind her, I'm going to finish up by doing the sky. And when you're drawing, if you're ever using scissors or something, and you're like, I don't know if I'm allowed to use this, don't just use it. Ask an adult if you're allowed to. And if they say no, try to find something else or ask them for help. And they say yes, be very careful when doing that. Crayon broke. I'll use the other half. And that's another thing. Don't press on crayons too hard, or they break. You have to be really careful with crayons, or else they break. But what am I forgetting? To write my name. Now that I have my name on it, I'm done with my drawing. Well, I'll see you later. And keep drawing and keep reading.